Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dental hygiene with a product that's making waves in the market. I present to you the best Mouth Guard Cleaner Ultrasonic device available, the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. This little machine packs a powerful punch, utilizing advanced ultrasonic technology to rid your dental appliances of even the most stubborn particles and dirt. But wait, there's more. With its high-efficiency UV light, this cleaner not only ensures a thorough clean but also eliminates up to 99.99% of harmful bacteria, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and healthy. And here's the cherry on top. It comes with 2 cleaning modes, giving you the flexibility to choose between a quick 5-minute clean or a deep 10-minute clean for heavily soiled items. Plus, the digital display lets you track the remaining cleaning time with ease. But what really sets this cleaner apart is its portability. Measuring just 4.7 inches in width and 4.2 inches in height, it's compact enough to take with you anywhere. Whether you're at home, traveling, or even at the office, you can enjoy a sparkling clean smile wherever you go. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate solution for keeping your dental appliances and jewelry sparkling clean. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Get your ultrasonic retainer cleaner today and say hello to a healthier, brighter smile.